What if you could stop endlessly brainstorming content and automatically create perfect social media posts? Imagine having AI do the hard work, writing captions, selecting hashtags, and even designing eye-catching images, all in seconds. The future of content creation is here, and it's automated. Let's face it, creating social media content the old-fashioned way is a hassle. You spend hours crafting the perfect post, researching trending hashtags, picking images, and scheduling everything manually. And even then, you wonder if your content is reaching the right audience. Does this sound familiar? Now imagine a world where all of that is done for you effortlessly with our AI-powered social media automation. You just input your ideas and let the system do the rest. It automatically generates perfect tailored captions, select the trending hashtags, and even create the right visuals, all customized for each social media platform. Here's how it works. This is the automation that I've created. It generates and posts automatically. So in this way it works. The input your ideas, enter a simple description or what you want to share in a Google Sheet. As you can see here, I've just posted an idea like post for nutrition supplement marketing, right? Anything that I want. So I'm just giving ideas and then the AI does the rest part. The system automatically generates the perfect caption here and then complete the trending hashtag tailored to your platform. AI create visuals. It then select eye-catching images or graphics to go along with your post. Here in this module, it captured that generated image and after that, it automatically posts. And then finally, the system schedules and posts it for you on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. As you can see here, content generation is done here, image is generating here. We are getting the images, downloading the file, and then we are posting it to Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And after that, we are updating the status as yes. So it indicates that our image generation is done, right? As you can see here, I've just posted it. Let I just show you how it is doing.
Here is our Facebook page just for testing purpose. I'll show you the post.
Say in the Facebook and
yeah, as you can see, the post is updated just now, and the content from the GPT and the image generated by that daily module, and same as
we go on LinkedIn.
Same as in the LinkedIn.
You can see here.
This account is for just for test.
Reload it, and after reloading, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So just as you can see here, it post is posted just now, the content and the image
regarding the supplement
and on the Instagram
as well.
This is posted also on Instagram.
Let's compare the two approaches, right? If we go manually, writing captions, picking hashtags, designing images, it takes hours of your time, and there's always a risk of missing key trends or audience engagement, right? With AI on your side, you simply input your ideas and let the system do the rest. No more wasting time on repetitive tasks, just engaging content that's ready to. So, with this automation, you can save your time, no more crafting each post manually, increase engagements. AI ensures your posts are perfectly optimized for each platform using trending hashtags and visuals, and then scale up your social media effortlessly, right? All while focusing on growing your business. Ready to say goodbye to content creation stress? Book a demo today to see how AI-powered social media automation can transform your content strategy. For more such updates, just follow growstechs.com. Thank you.